Hi friends, I am Nexter. Welcome to my channel. Make sure to subscribe. There will be 5 steps that will make the way to Spoof anywhere you want to go. So let's start. Step 1. Download the FGL Pro from the Play Store. You can see that I have already installed it. Go to settings and then developer options. Make sure that you have Android pass level higher than August 2017 and RAM 2 GB or higher than that. Okay. Now open FGL Pro. After opening it, you will see that there are two options. It will let you to sign up with Facebook or Google. After doing so, click on the search bar and then search the address where you want to go. As I want to go to New York, I will write New York. As you can see, a red navigator popped up. Then click on the run location bar. You can see this. It's a joystick. Now open the Pokemon Go app. Now go wherever you want. Now I will show you that does it works. Yes, it of course works. I'll show you how to catch and how to walk. Here we can see the Pokemons popped up. It's a bunch of Pokemons. Now we'll catch. Because some fake GPS doesn't work and doesn't catch any Pokemon, I'll show you does it works or not. Got it. Okay, now I'll show you how to walk. That's all.